Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be demonstrating the BeenThere mobile application which allows user to create and view notes tied to specific geographical locations. Before we dive in, let's explore the key features of BeenThere app. It helps you create notes with text linked to specific geographical locations. Utilizes the intuitive map interface powered by Google Maps to navigate, explore and add notes to your favorite places. Visual markers easily identify your notes on the map with clear and informative markers. Tap on a marker to view the note's message, location coordinates. Enjoy a user friendly and intuitive interface designed for easy note creation and exploration. Now, let's dive into the live demonstration. So, okay, here we have our code and here we have our mobile emulator. So let me start the server first, the Django backend server that supports our application, and then we can start debugging so that it can run the application, or you can just use Flutter run. Now it will start up the application. You can find the entire code for this on my GitHub repository that is linked in the description of this video. This step might take a few minutes. Depending upon the capabilities of your computer. And here we have it. Here we can see our Google Map interface. Let's go to somewhere we can add a note. So upon launching, we can see a map interface powered by Google Maps. Tap on any location on the map where you want to create a note. For example, I want to go to somewhere I took a trip recently. Alright, so yeah, here, Netherhart. For example, enjoyed a trip last summer, and I can add this note over here. So you can see there's a red marker over here, and when I'm gonna tap this, I can see the note over here. Yeah, the latitude and the longitude, the geographical coordinates, and the note that I added. It does not disappear. You can move away from it. No, this, that, and you can still access it. Like when I click on add a note, okay, for example, I wanna give you my location. Like if you wanna find me, you can find me over here. Whenever I click on a map, I click on the map anywhere I wanna add a note, an add note dialog box appears. I can type anything over here. Divyam is here, for example, and when I click the add button, I'm gonna submit my note. So it will create a location marker. You can tap it at any time and you can access, okay, what is the coordinates and what are the coordinates and what is the note say. So here we can also show the use of Google Maps API. And yeah, something else that I want to show you is the backend integration. Behind the scenes, the app communicates with the Django backend to store and retrieve nodes. I'll show you what I'm talking about. For example, let's go to port 8000. Here's the API route. We are using Django REST frameworks, as you know, and let's go to nodes. All right. Yeah, here's the nodes list. The nodes has been added. I can also show you the nodes over here. Like they are added in the Django admin. We are using an SQLite database, so you can explore these nodes anytime you want. So this is all about the BeenThere application. For further help, if you need any, if you have any questions, you can write them down in the you can put them down in the comments, and You can check out the whole code file in the description link, in the GitHub link provided in the description. So that will be all. This concludes the demo of BeenThere application. Thank you for watching.